production course is where students get the chance to learn all about the entertainment industry and work hands-on with the software and the hardware, including cameras, lighting, Premiere Pro, and make their own films. So in TV1, we have smaller projects where they get to get certified in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then we have TV2 where they work on the school news as well as elevate their editing skills with Premiere Pro and After Effects. And then we have TV3 and up where they work on school projects like Senior Video, our most spirited video, Legends with Lake Howell, with Principal Howard, where he goes and interviews famous alumni. And we've just been everywhere with that. We've been to NASA, we've been behind the scenes at SeaWorld, county commissioners, just so many wonderful famous alumni we've gotten the chance to interview. I feel that students benefit from this course because it teaches them skills that they can bring to other industries, leadership, working with others, how to be someone your group can depend on, as well as teach them how to work with different softwares, how to make content for different things. I feel like in this day and age where media is becoming more prevalent to our everyday life, it's so important to have these skills because it can give you more opportunities for jobs in the future.
I've learned a lot about editing since I started in TV production. I kind of pioneered the idea of bits in the news to make it more comedic and entertaining, so that's been pretty fun. I want to be a movie director, producer, story writer, and possibly acting and starring in the movies that I make. I want to know about every aspect of a production before I go into movies. Just because I have a lot of stories that I want to tell, and I want to give those to the world.
Recently I've been filming events like the football games. I have Night at Impact coming up, so a lot of stuff like that is what I've been working on. For this class especially, it's very important to do hands-on stuff. I mean, you can hear stuff and write it down, but if you aren't physically doing it, it's hard to actually comprehend it. At least that's how I am, and so I think having that is very important, and it definitely helps me like communicate with others in my other class and get stuff done easier.
I feel that having a good mix of what we do in class is very important. Like, we have the lecture notes where I'm talking all about different topics, and then we have the hands-on projects where they actually get to go out around the school and film things. They get to edit. Soon we'll be bringing in like guest speakers, and that also really like helps them learn like different perspectives. Like, okay, this person actually works in the industry and they're actually going to tell us stuff that happens today in this industry. And the students are really excited to show what they can do and make their own films.